Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Nemeth. I'm a periodontist in Southfield, Michigan, and I want to talk about one of my favorite procedures to do. It's called cosmetic crown lengthening. Also, I do something called lip lowering. And this not only improves the health of the gums, but it changes the lives of people because they can smile, and many of them were very embarrassed to smile before the procedure. They had what was called a horsey smile, too much gum tissue showing, and they were really embarrassed. So what we do is actually recontour the gum tissue, and we recontour the underlying bone so that the gum tissue stays in the position that we place it. And here are some examples of cases that we did. This young girl came in. She thought she wanted a lip lowering procedure, but we said, well, let's do the crown lengthening first, which we did, and then this was before, this is after. She wanted to look good for her wedding, and she was very happy with the way it looked after the crown lengthening, so we did not need to do the lip lowering. Here's another before and after. I mean, just look at the difference. Makes a huge difference in someone's smile. People, they put their hands over their mouths, or they keep their lip down because they just are afraid to smile because it's they're kind of embarrassed by it. So we reshape that gum tissue, get rid of the gummy smile. Also, the pockets in the gum that go along with that make a healthier mouth as well. Now, this was crown lengthening, but also lip lowering. So we did bring the lip down, and it's interesting because when we do lip lowering, the upper lip gets more full, and you can see the upper lip is more full here. So this was a combination of some crown lengthening, but I think we're seeing more from the lip lowering procedure here. The lip actually becomes, I think, more attractive, and also covers more of the gum tissue. This individual had braces, and very often it's not unusual to see young people, and sometimes they're not young, sometimes they're adults, with braces, because sometimes the braces can contribute to gum irritation and gum enlargement. And so again, we reshape that gum tissue, huge difference. The braces will come off, and this young man's going to have a great smile, and I think he's going to be very happy. So again, this is a procedure that gives me a lot of fulfillment because of the way it changes the lives of these people as far as their ability to smile and the lack of embarrassment. It makes a big difference for them, and that makes a big difference for me. At any rate, the important thing to remember is to keep your mouth healthy, because if your mouth's not healthy, your body can't be healthy. We'd love to hear from you. Questions, comments. You can set a reminder or set a bell to ring when we do another YouTube video. Love to hear from you. Have a great day.
Restore your smile and your health. Visit drnemeth.com to schedule your appointment today.